Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is June 28th, Tuesday. Right now is 7:16. I have to say I'm really busy today. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your not shower, swimming pool filter. So this is what I have, guys. You guys all most likely have something similar to this, a cylindrical shape, and first of all, to clean the filter, you need to have your power off. So make sure you turn all your power off. Not the house power, but swimming pool electricity power off. And then make sure the pressure is zero. If the pressure is still high, just release the pressure. There should be a valve on the top. Mine is this. Everybody have a different one. You might have a vertical one on top. After that, after the pressure is gone to a zero, next thing what you do is open it. Mine has a lock, which I already opened it. You pretty much just untwist it, and after you untwist it, you just pop this open like that. Everything goes out, and then you could tell the filter right there. Also, how can you tell if you need to clean your filter? The way how you tell is that when the filter itself is in the operation mode. What I mean is that when this thing is on, it should have a pressure. So after you clean everything up, add the water in, and then turn it on. After the pressure builds up, it should have a standard, maybe at 30 psi or 20 psi. Leave it that. That's the base that you'll remember. Anytime when it's go above 10. So after you clean your filter, and if the water is full, and if filter is running, if it shows 20 psi or 38 psi, just remember that. And down the road, maybe 6 months or 3 or 4 months later, if at 30 turn to 50 psi, which increment of 10, oh excuse me, not 50, if it went up to 40, that means there's a lot of dirt inside your filter, and which the pressure builds up. That's kind of indicate that you need to change your filter or clean it or whatever. So as you see, my filter is not that bad, but it's actually still dirty. After you clean it, it should turn completely white. Okay, and make sure you don't lose the gasket right here. You clean the gasket as well. Okay, so what you do is that there should be a valve on the side right here, mine on the side. You twist it open and then drain all the water, which I already drained all the water. And then you pull this to open it. Sorry guys, I usually need 2 hands, so I open one side already. There we go, second one came off. And pretty much you just rinse it with water. Grab a hose and just rinse it off, okay? Okay guys, as you see, it's turning white, a little bit whitish. I don't know if you could see it. So yeah, don't use a high pressure valve. Just use a regular shower like this and just rinse it out. It should turn white like that. Obviously mine is kind of old, you see that, so it needs to be changed, but for now it still works, so I'm going to keep it. So yeah, just keep doing it. Hey guys, so I forgot to record this. I already cleaned it. Obviously I didn't do a complete good job. As you see, these are pretty white right now. This is still pretty dirty, but the below is clean, like some area like this, it's pretty clean. And mainly the reason why I wasn't completely to clean this is because it's actually my fault. What I did was originally I drained all the water out, so this was dry for about 2 to 3 days. And by the time I'm trying to clean this out, because it's dry, so it's hard to get these algae out because it's already dry onto these filters. So make sure next time if you're going to clean these, clean it right away after you open this and drain all the water. You do not want to leave it for a few days for the filter to get dry and then clean it, because by that time the algae is kind of like the bacteria is all stuck on the filter itself, is dry. So I wasn't completely to clean all, but I was able to clean some of these off, so it's pretty good. And then after you're done, fill up the water to the top and then close the rim again, so make it easier for the machine, so the machine doesn't have to work so hard to pump all the water to fill everything up, push it. And then pretty much that's it. And then put the cover back on top of it and then turn the machine on. That's it. Well, anyway, that's how you guys clean a filter. It's pretty much straightforward, but make sure you close the power. And yeah, and I actually clean everything, the inside already. All right guys, see you guys next time. thanks for watching. It's getting kind of late. I'm still trying to fill up the pool with the water. It's kind of low.